Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, we do EDC gear and knife review videos. If you like that kind of content, please subscribe to the channel. All right, folks, we have another Log Jotter reveal and a SMOOTHERPRO EDC pen reveal, unboxing, so to speak. So let's get right into it. You know, I subscribe to Log Jotter and get their notebook every month. It's a $5 subscription. I love what they do. So let's use my Monterey Bay Mini Old Guard to open the Log Jotter. Very, very nice. What do we got in here? All right. All right, so since it is baseball season and it's May, we've got a baseball season themed notebook. So we have make a story, tell a story right on top. All new players, made to look, I guess, like a baseball card. Looks nice on the back with statistics. Made, again, to look like an old school baseball card. Let's see what else we have. Did they include any stickers? No stickers in this one. Okay. Oh, wait, maybe there is? Not sure. No stickers. But still a very nice notebook. As always, you have in the front ruler with where you can put down important dates, travel information, whatever you want in there. You know, I ordered the dotted style notebook. And again, more places for notes in the back. And a centimeter ruler as opposed to inches. So just a great little notebook. I really like that a lot. So let's put that off to the side. And was there anything else in the envelope? No, there wasn't. Okay. So here we have a pen by SMOOTHERPRO, TP 331 GR. And they give you this nice little box. Let's take the pen out. This is an aluminum bodied bolt action pen with some goldish kind of accents on it. Oh, comes with that little cover. Gotta take that off before we can write. And I really like this. It kind of reminds me of an O pen, but bigger. You've got that rifle kind of barreling right there. Your real fidget factor with the bolt action. That's really smooth. I like this gray kind of metallic colorway that's on it. Feels really nice right away. You've got semi-deep carry clip right there. And it's got the SMOOTHERPRO brand on there. In the box itself, you get an extra refill. What's nice about this takes standard Parker refills or Fisher Space Pen refills. They'll work in here rather nicely. And let's give it a little test as to how it writes. That really writes nice. Very, very smooth on that. And with the black ink, which is my preferred color, although you can get, you know, blue inserts if you like, you know, blue refills. But I really like that. And these come in at a great price point. These come in at around $11.99 or so. You can often get them on sale. They often have coupons on Amazon for those. In fact, when I bought this one, it was at a $5 price point because they had a coupon on it. So I wound up paying $5 for that. But so take a look at that. Again, that's the SMOOTHERPRO TP 331 GR and makes a really nice EDC pen. It's lightweight, but it is aluminum, so it's going to be tough. And I would gather, with the way that's pointed right there, you can use that as a window breaker. They don't really mention it for that, but I'm sure you could. It's hard enough. Yeah, I definitely think that would work. So there you have it. This month's Log Jotter and new EDC pen. All right, folks, if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a thumbs up. Comment. It all goes far in helping the channel, and I really appreciate it. And come Sunday nights and hang out in our live streams. They're always a lot of fun. They all go on Sunday nights at 11 p.m. Eastern Time. So as I always say, until we meet again, keep your blade sharp